no, it's 7 already. Wake up, explorers, we are late.
Kids, get up! No 5 more minutes today. Adventure Day is here.
Okay, Daddy. Yeah, let's go. Where's my orange jacket? I'm awake. I'm awake. Is it time for snow and hot chocolate?
Smile, Ben. This is the start of our winter mystery.
A mystery?
I love mysteries.
That's the spirit.
I can't find it. It's gone. I looked everywhere.
Sweetie.
Maybe the closet elves borrowed it.
Let's find them.
It's very cold in Switzerland, Ben. You really need that jacket.
No monkeys in the snow, Lily. Only snowmen.
All right, everyone. Let me use my Laura magic. Close your eyes. 1, 5, 3.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Wait, what? It's right here? That's impossible.
Wow, Mom, you're a wizard.
Can you find my camera too?
Maybe I can. But first, grab your bags. No more delays. Checklist time. Passports?
Got mine. Me too.
All set.
Check.
Tickets and boarding passes?
Yes, Daddy. Are we ready to go? We're all set. Check. Snacks for the plane?
That's right, sweetie.
Good thinking, Lily.
Ooh, what kind? Check! My teddy bear? Of course, sweetie.
He's right here with you.
Cool bear, Lily.
Double check.
I did, Mom.
Me too.
Yep, all set. Perfect. Wow, the train station is huge. Is that our red train?
Yes, that's the Swiss high-speed train. Let's go!
It looks magical.
Wow, so cool. Let's go. These seats are so soft. I could sleep here forever. Bye-bye, city. Hello, Snowy Mountain.
Repeat after me.
High-speed train. High-speed train.
Yes, it is. So exciting.
We're going so fast.
Wow, look.
Incredible, isn't it?
It's magical.
So much snow!
We love Switzerland. Best trip ever. Where's our next mystery, Team Explorer?
Look at the snow, everyone.
It's magical, isn't it?
Wow.
See you in the next adventure.